In this video, I will show you the 7 steps you need to take to add a savings account on Chase. So first is to go and log into your Chase online banking account. Next, click on the Accounts tab at the top of the page and select the option to open a new account or add an account. Next, choose the type of account you want to add, in this case a savings account. Then follow the prompts to provide the necessary information such as your personal details, funding source and initial deposit amount. Next, review the terms and conditions for the new account and submit your application. And finally, once your new savings account is successfully added, you can start managing it online, transferring funds, setting up automatic transfers and more. If you prefer to add a savings account in person, you can also visit a Chase branch and speak with a representative who can help you open a new account. So now you know how to add a savings account on Chase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.